Before you initiate dunning levels in a dunning procedure, it's essential to establish dunning level rules. These rules are vital for setting parameters based on days overdue and specific monetary thresholds. So I will go in Setup, Dunning Level Rules, and I'll make a new one. So we have different information here. The first one is the name, so I'll give like my first dunning level rule. Then you have the days overdue field. In the field, you input the required number of overdue days for triggering a dunning notice. You can use negative numbers to schedule reminders before the due date. So you could say -3 and it will go 3 days before the invoice is due. In the currency column, you select from the available currencies listed for your subsidiary. Yes, that's fine. That's what we just said. So I will say, for example, for US dollars. Then I have to choose a select minimum transaction amount. The minimum amount for individual or grouped invoices in the selected currency, let's say 15,000. Then you have the total overdue balance for that currency. So I will say, for example, to a maximum of 100,000. And then I will add. So the system automatically sets the first added currency as the default, as you can see here on the right. This default can be changed if additional currencies are added. The default currency is crucial for handling transactions in undefined currencies by converting based on the last day of the previous month's exchange rate. So the final steps you need to do is click on Save to apply your settings. And something important to remember is that all rules, creations, and updates should be executed via the user interface, as current tools like CSV import, SOAP web services, or Suite scripts are not supported for these actions. If you don't have in the setup the dunning module, you can watch the video that I did earlier about installing and activate the dunning module. Give a like to the video, subscribe for the next ones, and see you soon.